Hey there, savvy savers. If you're drowning in debt and looking for a way to get back on track, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to handle debt payments using Goodbudget, a super user-friendly app that turns your budget into a powerful tool for financial freedom. Goodbudget works like a digital envelope system, where you allocate money to specific categories, making it easier to track and manage your expenses, including those pesky debts. First things first, download the Goodbudget app on your phone or tablet. It's free and available for both iOS and Android. Once you're in, start by setting up your budget. Go to the Envelopes section and create a new one specifically for debt payments. Name it something clear, like credit card debt or loan repayment, so you can easily keep tabs on it. Next, decide how much you can afford to put toward your debt each month. Be realistic. Look at your income and other essential expenses first. Allocate funds to your debt envelope accordingly. For example, if you have $500 left after covering necessities, assign $200 to debt. This way, you're prioritizing without overextending. Now, for tracking payments. Every time you make a debt payment, log it in your debt envelope. Goodbudget lets you record transactions quickly, so you can see your progress in real time. Set up reminders in the app to notify you when payments are due. This is a game changer for avoiding late fees. A pro tip. If you have multiple debts, focus on the one with the highest interest rate first to save money in the long run. Goodbudget also allows you to add notes to your envelopes, so jot down any extra payments or windfalls that can accelerate your debt payoff. Finally, review your progress regularly. Check your app weekly to ensure you're on track and celebrate small wins like paying off a card. With Goodbudget, handling debt doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about taking control one step at a time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let's conquer that debt together.